Hey, I'm Doug Jackson, founder of the law firm of Douglas G. Jackson. Today is October 24th, 2025. I want to give you an update real quick on a decision that just came out from the United States Court of Appeals for Veterans Claims. It actually came out, it was dated October 22nd, 2025. It was on ex parte motion, which means motion without another party, essentially, from the Secretary of the VA, the Veterans Administration. And what it was asking is that due to the government shutdown that we're currently in, starting October 29th, all deadlines are stayed and the court not consider any veterans disability claims before it. Now, there's two separate functions, right? We have the VA, which is most of where the claims are, and then if it gets past the veterans law judges, then it gets appealed up to the court. But there's still a lot of claims there. As you know, these cases take a really, really long time. And I mean, right now we're getting hearings on 2022 appeals at the board. Then it's another, oftentimes a year and a half till we get a decision. And then we appeal it to the court. So these veterans have been waiting a long, long time. And what the VA asked is that the court stay all deadlines because they're only funded up to October 28th. And then after that, the Office of General Counsel, which are the attorneys for the VA that litigate these cases, they're not necessarily going to be considered accepted employees that have to stay on. And so they're worried about the functions. Now, luckily, this court, it was before Chief Judge Allen, Peach, Bartley, Greenberg, Meredith, Toth, Falvey, Lohr, and Jack Keith. So the entire panel, all of the judges got together because they wanted to make a decision on this, I'm happy with the decision. All of them said that we're not going to enter a stay. The judicial review of these cases is an accepted process, even during a government shutdown. And so the court does function. We're not going to enter the stay at this time. They did recognize the challenges to the Office of General Counsel for the VA, but the court said we are going to continue proceeding with these cases. And I was very pleased to hear that. Chief Judge Allen actually was my civil procedure professor back at Stetson University College of Law. Really a great guy, great judge. And I think this is an important decision. Now, the one caveat is that this isn't necessarily going to be forever. So they denied this, but they denied it without prejudice. So they can file this again if they're starting to miss deadlines, if they're doing other things. But for right now, the court has made it very clear that nine of these judges, which is the entire Court of Appeals for the veterans claims, they said, we believe that these claims are important to move forward and we're not going to enter a stay. So just wanted to give you a quick update because I don't really like the Secretary of the VA's motion on this. I disagree with it. I'm happy the court did what they did here, but stay tuned because right now veterans disability benefits are moving forward, but this government shutdown could change the way things are being processed. It could change the impacts and potentially they could file another stay. But good news for right now. Just wanted to update all of our veterans on this because I think it's an important decision. It's not going to necessarily make a lot of news, but I think it is very important for you to know about.